drug use and things like that, okay? Yeah, so we're allowed to do anything we want here. Yeah, we can. No, yeah, we are.
We're not doing
it.
We are.
Stop.
Oh my God, please stop.
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 Date, the 9th of June, 2024. Event officers dispatched to a residential property for unwanted persons. The encounter escalated to an obstruction arrest and drug discovery. Jurisdiction, not publicly identified. Federal constitutional law applies.
What are you guys doing?
Giving me a ride to walk up.
Huh?
Give me a ride with the cat and the donuts.
Didn't look like he was giving you a ride. Just sitting here.
We just got in the car.
Yeah, we just sitting there.
You did?
Yes, we did.
Oh. Whose car is this?
It's my car.
It's your car?
How you guys doing? What car was before this? Great. Change that
Well,
in your,
you got IDs?
I got a registration.
You got IDs?
Yeah, I
Alright, let's see it.
I mean, you want to just run my name, my social?
I want your ID.
Oh my God. Why are you being really?
I'm not.
My cat's going to get loose over ignorance.
I'm just asking you for your ID.
Hey, I'm going to have to try to find it in my purse.
Okay. Well, go ahead.
Well, can I take the cat in the house then? So it don't get loose?
No. You're going to sit right here, yeah.
Are you dead ass serious?
You got a warrant or something?
No, I don't have warrants.
Okay.
I've never had a warrant. I've never had criminal charges. I've never had anything like that.
Okay.
You say you've never had a murder? You never
I got a crew like 2 days ago. He said it's just like he said I'm like it's not all that great at like the bottom half, like gas cap, it's still not paying anything. I ran out of pain. You got insurance on the phone? Yes, man. Where you live at last time? I'm kind of old right now.
Where were you guys stuffing when we pulled up?
Nothing. Are you fucking dead ass serious?
Yeah, I'm dead serious.
You are so full of shit.
No, I'm not.
I had done some,
I rolled the windows a little bit so the cat was good.
Yeah, I mean, you guys were stuffing stuff around the sides of the seats and stuff, it looked like. So, being that, do you guys live here at all?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Where's that? What apartment?
The front one? That's the Damien?
So you're on the lease?
No.
Oh. Well, the owner of the property doesn't want people here who aren't on the lease. They're supposed to be trespassed. Because we have a lot of problems with this house, so...
I've permission to be here. The cops talked to me and they I'm homeless because I'm in sleep here now.
Yeah, well, the property owner doesn't want people here.
Okay, well, I came to get the cat to take it like 3 blocks up with the donuts. Like, I have literally only been here for maybe 30 minutes.
So is there any drugs inside the car?
No, there's not.
So if we have a dog come and search, or if we search the car, we're not going to find anything? I didn't ask you to get out. You can stay right there.
I'm going to get out though.
No, I want you to sit right there.
I mean, you're illegally doing that, you know that, right?
No, I'm not illegally doing anything.
Yes,
He's
you
got
are.
him out, and I want to sit you here till he figures out what he's doing with him. It's called safety.
It's called, you have no...
Yes, I do.
Do
We have a problem with this property, okay? With
Okay,
drug
with the
use and
property,
things like
with
that,
the
okay?
property.
Yeah,
So
so
just
we're allowed to
because-
do anything we want here.
That's illegal.
Yeah, we can.
It's illegal.
It's not illegal.
Yes, it is. I promise you it is. I know the law.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that back. What was that? Okay, 14 to the desk. Can you check that party locally for me, please?
Check it everywhere. I had DUI whenever I was 18. That's the most criminal charge I've ever had.
Stay right here for me, okay? Where's the weed smell coming from? What?
We want to talk to you about this.
All right, man, I'm gonna have you step out, okay? If you could, just leave your purse in there for me.
Nope, not doing that.
Yeah, you're gonna leave your purse in there for me. Okay, well, I'm gonna search it then before you get out.
You're not allowed to. That's
Whoa, what are you doing? Stop!
You get away from me.
Stop!
We're not doing
No.
it.
Yeah, we are.
We're not doing it.
Yeah, we are. Stop!
Are you dead ass serious? You guys
Why
are
are you?
doing it.
You're being arrested now for obstruction.
Yes.
Stop it. Stop.
Oh my God, please stop.
Stop!
You need to stop.
Stop. No, do not touch me. want the supervisor.
Relax.
I know
Stop.
my rights. I want the supervisor.
Relax.
I
Stop.
want the supervisor right now.
Relax. We'll
Stop.
get it.
You're gonna get tased. Stop.
Relax. You're okay.
You're
You're gonna
get
get
off.
tased.
Chill.
Get off. I don't want
go
you
for
to do
handcuffs.
nothing until the supervisor gets here. Period.
You don't have that choice. Just relax.
I do have that choice.
Stop.
I will sue the fuck out of you guys.
Let go of the purse.
No, I will let go of you.
Let go of the purse.
Let go of the purse. Get off. Let go of the
Just
purse.
relax.
No,
Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me.
I'm not kicking you.
You did. You just did.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because we asked you to step out of a
There's no
car.
reason to do it. You guys are fucking harassing the fuck out of shit.
You're gonna get tased.
Stop!
You're gonna
Why
get
are you
tased.
harassing me?
Nobody's harassing
I
you.
swear to God,
Ma'am.
give me the supervisor. Call the supervisor. You guys are legally doing this. It's not gonna hold nothing. You guys can't hold nothing. Can't hold nothing.
Now you're under arrest, okay?
For what?
Obstruction.
For
what?
obstruction.
Get off, please.
Wait till you get out of the car.
Please
Get
get
out of the car.
off.
It's called restrict.
I was getting out of the car.
Obstruction and resisting arrest.
I wasn't resisting. I was getting out of the car.
Yeah.
Yes, I was resisting arrest for what? You guys were arresting me for what? There wasn't nothing you could arrest me for.
Now listen, I'm gonna stand you up.
No, get off of me, please. I want the supervisor still. There's nothing you can arrest me for.
I'm gonna stand you up, and you're gonna walk to the car.
No, I'm not. I want the supervisor right now. While I'm out here. Yes,
He's not gonna come out here.
Yes, he is. Yes,
No,
he
he's
is.
not.
Yes, he is. Fuck. I don't even know. I should have threw all that shit in the purse.
You shouldn't have threw all that in your purse.
Yeah, because I didn't even look to see
What's in your
bag.
purse?
I don't know. I didn't look to see what's in the bag.
Okay.
I see a couple
There's
things
something
in
in
there.
there. All right,
Please
let's
get
stand
off.
up.
Please get off. No.
I want you to stand
I
up.
want the supervisor. I want.
That's not how this works.
This is how that works.
He's going to take
This
pictures.
is how that works.
That's not how this
I want
works.
him here. Yes.
He's going to meet us at
I
headquarters.
know. I asked you that. I want him here.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
That is not what you guys. That is not the law.
Are you trying to catch more charges?
For what?
Then stand up.
There's not going to be no charges to stand.
I will
because you
add
guys are
some
legally
more.
doing this and you will be sued. Absolutely.
I will add some more
For
charges.
what? You're just making shit up right now.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Stand up.
You're making shit
Come
up.
on.
It was my son's birthday. You got
Come
me
on.
fucked up. I want the supervisor.
Come on, stand up.
I want the supervisor.
Well, he's not going to talk to you while you're laying on the
I
ground,
know
so
he's
stand
not,
up.
So when you make the call and I'll
Come
stand
on,
up.
let's stand up.
You make the call and I will stand up.
Dirty needles, everything.
You make
Yeah.
the call and I will stand up.
He's going to be at headquarters when we get there.
You make the call, I'll stand up.
We already did. He's going to be at headquarters when we get there.
He's already waiting on you.
Nope, I want him here.
He's not coming.
That is my right. I want him
Okay.
here.
Right.
Well, you're going to stand up or you're going to get more charges.
I want him here.
So
What
we're going to add
charge- what
obstruction
charge-
times 2.
Obstruction. Well, you couldn't get me with the first obstruction.
You're not
I was
standing
getting out
up.
of the car. How are you going to get me with the first obstruction even?
You need to get up.
I got out of the car.
You need to get up.
Listen, no, get the
And then you
supervisor,
started
please.
fighting.
I was not fighting.
Yeah.
I'm serious.
It's all on camera, hon.
The good thing it is on camera.
Yeah.
Because you were putting your hands on me and trying to force me.
No,
For
I
what?
was just trying to
wasn't
make you
doing
leave the
nothing
purse in so
wrong.
I could check it because
We
I don't know
was
what's
not
in there.
doing nothing
Because
wrong,
you guys were making furtive movements as we pulled up.
You're making that up to say
Come on,
that
stand
way
up.
Your charges stand. That's not the case, though.
Stand up.
That is not the case.
Get up.
You can say anything you want to, but that is a bold-faced fucking lie.
You need to get up.
That is a bold-faced lie.
You need to get up.
That
He's
is a
not
bold-faced
doing it.
lie.
He's not doing
Please
it.
get the supervisor. Or Gademeyer 1.
Yeah, 'cause
Well, you're
on
going to
Sunday,
get to see
Gademeyer's
you're going to get to see
gonna come out
Gademeier
here.
tomorrow because you're going to jail. Stand up.
Gademeyer
Stand
has
up.
been my lawyer. Gademeyer's been my lawyer.
Come on.
Please let me see the supervisor. You guys stop. Oh, you're burning my stomach. God damn.
You're hurting yourself.
No, I'm not. You guys should have never put your hands on me. I got out of the car and everything.
What?
Get off of me, please. No. Stop, please. I want the supervisor. I want the fucking
Go there, go there,
supervisor.
go there. This is the hill.
You guys are fucked up for this. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. I can only imagine what you guys are going to put in there.
You got your recorder on?
Yeah.
Your camera's on?
No, I don't have one in my car. I wasn't expecting her to do all that. I don't think any of us did.
No.
This is my third time getting pulled over
Just gonna do it here. Yeah. weed smell I smelled, yeah. Be careful, there's open needles. Ones with blood all over them too. What name did she give you?
I got her ID. I want to check that area. She was sitting real good.
I'll go through this if you want to.
Where's Connie to come out?
What's that?
Where's Connie to come out?
That's a tourniquet thing.
Tie off.
Or yeah, tie off.
Legal basis for initial contact. A trespass complaint from a property owner combined with an address known for drug activity provides sufficient grounds for an investigative stop under Terry v. Ohio 1968, reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Identification requirement. Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 2004. During a lawful Terry stop, states may require a subject to identify themselves. Refusal to provide identification may constitute a separate criminal offense. Furtive movements. As suspicion factor, Illinois versus Wardlow, 2000. Evasive or concealment-oriented behavior upon seeing police officers is a legitimate factor in the reasonable suspicion analysis. Stuffing items between car seats as officers arrive falls within this doctrine. Authority to order exit from vehicle, Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, and Maryland v. Wilson, 1997. Officers may order both drivers and passengers to exit a vehicle during any lawful stop as a matter of course without additional justification. Marijuana odor and probable cause. In jurisdictions where marijuana remains illegal, its odor alone establishes probable cause for a warrantless vehicle search. In states where marijuana is legal, odor alone may be insufficient without additional indicators of criminal quantity or active impairment. Scope of vehicle search. California v. Acevedo, 1991, and United States v. Ross, 1982. When probable cause exists, a warrantless vehicle search extends to every part of the vehicle and all containers within it, including closed personal effects. Elevated protection for personal effects. United States v. Place, 1983. Personal effects carried on the body occupy a higher zone of Fourth Amendment protection than items stored inside a vehicle compartment. Lesson officers ordering surrender of personal property must articulate clear legal authority. The obstruction charge lawful order requirement obstruction statutes require that the officer be performing a lawful duty at the moment of resistance. If the underlying order lacked legal authority, the obstruction charge fails on its constitutional foundation. Physical resistance to a contested order is never a legally sound remedy. Use of force standard, Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. 3 factors apply: severity of the offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Search incident to arrest, Arizona v. Gant, 2009. A post-arrest vehicle search is valid when the arrestee was recently within reaching distance of the area searched. Evidence discovered in a lawful search is admissible regardless of disputes about the arrest itself. Inevitable discovery doctrine evidence obtained following a potentially flawed arrest may remain admissible if officers possessed an independent, lawful basis to discover it. Where probable cause existed prior to the arrest, that basis survives a successful challenge to the arrest itself. No constitutional right to on-scene supervisor. Courts have consistently held that demanding a supervisor respond to the scene during an active arrest is a matter of departmental policy, not constitutional right. An arrestee cannot condition compliance with a lawful arrest on supervisory presence. Core legal lesson: resistance is never the correct remedy. When a subject believes an order is unlawful, the constitutionally sound response is to comply and challenge through legal process, not physical resistance. Physical resistance compounds the legal exposure and forfeits the cleaner constitutional challenge that compliance would have preserved. Core legal lesson: articulating probable cause at the moment of the order. Officers who understand and communicate the legal basis for an order reduce the risk of unlawful resistance, unnecessary force, and suppression motions. Failure to articulate probable cause at the moment it applies is a procedural failure that weakens otherwise valid enforcement action.